Hey there, and welcome back to my channel Rising Genius. Sudoku, this word, this puzzle, it seems very complicated. But let me tell you, after you see today's video, you will say, Arey, this was so simple. Khali pili I was getting stressed about it. So, if you want to learn how to play Sudoku and you have no idea from where to begin, then this video is for you. This video is divided into 3 parts. The first one is where I will explain to you the basic simple Sudoku rules. बहुत simple है. Whether it is a 4x4 Sudoku matrix or a 9x9 Sudoku matrix, the rules are the same. Okay? Then part 2 is where I will solve a 4x4 Sudoku matrix for you. In this, I will show you how to apply the Sudoku rules in the Sudoku puzzle. Now, what is this 4x4 matrix? It is where you play Sudoku with only numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. Not that newspaper wala 9x9 matrix nahi. Okay? So, we are playing only a 4x4 Sudoku matrix. Thirdly, I will give you a small homework to do after you see today's video. So, once you finish my video, you try to play this homework puzzle, which will again be a 4x4 Sudoku matrix. If you can get it right, then perfect. But if not, then it's okay. In the next Sudoku video, I will show you how to play the Sudoku matrix first. Okay? The homework matrix first, I mean. Alright, so let's start. Let's go and see my screen. Okay, so let's start with today's first puzzle. This is a 4x4 Sudoku puzzle. So, if you are age 5 years plus, then you can easily do this puzzle. Let me explain what it is. You see these 4 big boxes. This is one white big box. This grey is box number 2. This grey is box number 3. And this white is box number 4. Okay. And each box has 4 small squares within them. Okay. So, I will call the big one a box and I will call the squares inside as small squares. Now, you need numbers from 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are only playing with 4 numbers today. So, let me write it down for you. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So, this 4 numbers have to be filled up in this Sudoku puzzle. And how will you fill it up? In such a way that all these 4 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 should fit into one box. They should not repeat in that box. Numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4, you should place it in this box. So, if you are putting a 1 here, you cannot put a 1 here because 1 cannot repeat in the same big square, big box. Okay. Similarly, if you have a 2 here, you cannot have a 2 here or here or here because 2 is already here in this big box. I hope we are clear. Let me give you one more example. If you have 3 here, then you cannot have 3 here, here or here because 3 is already there in this big box, right? So, you cannot have 3 repeated here. In same way, since 1 is already here, we cannot have 1 in either of these small squares because 1 is already in this big grey box. That's understood. That is rule number 1. Rule number 2 is that these numbers should not repeat at any of the lines. So, if it's a sleeping line is called a row. So, the number should not repeat in any of the sleeping lines. So, if you have a 2 here, you cannot have a 2 here or here because 2 is already here. So, you cannot have a sleeping line. In the sleeping line, you cannot have a 2. Again, this 1 also you cannot have it here or here because 1 is already in the sleeping line. Clear? Similarly, if 1 is in this sleeping line, then you cannot have 1 here or here. That's wrong. And if you have 3 in the sleeping line, you cannot have 3 here or here. Clear? Last one more rule to go. The numbers cannot repeat in the columns also. That is, in the standing lines, you cannot have the same number repeated twice. So, if you have 1 here in this column, you cannot have 1 here, here or here. That is wrong. Okay. Similarly, if you have 2 here, you cannot have 2 here, here or here. Then, if you have 3 here, you cannot have 3 here. And if you have 1 here, you cannot have 1 here. Yeah. So, this will be wrong. So, you have to ensure that the numbers are not repeated in the big boxes, or the numbers are not repeated in any of the standing lines, or the numbers are not repeated in any of the sleeping lines. I hope this is very clear. So, this is the basic rule of Sudoku. Whether it is a small Sudoku or a big 9 by 9 Sudoku, or this is just a 4 by 4 Sudoku, the rules are the same. Only the numbers will differ. So let's start with this Sudoku now. So let's start with any big box, or you can start with the lines. Everything is the same. You will end up with the same answer. So I can see that in this sleeping line there are two numbers already placed, right? So now I only have to write or find out these two numbers. So let's try what it is. You have a 2 here, so you cannot have 2 here, that much you know. Now you also know that 1, 2, 3, 4 has to fit in this sleeping line. All the numbers have to fit. So if 2 cannot come here, then 2 has to come in the remaining box, which is this, right? I'll repeat again. You have to fit numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 in the sleeping line, as well as 1, 2, 3, 4 in the standing line, and 1, 2, 3, 4 in each of the boxes, the big boxes. Okay. So because the sleeping line already has two numbers, I will start using with this sleeping line. Start with the sleeping line. You can start with anything, everything is okay, but I am giving you an easier method to do because you already have two numbers here. So if you have 1 here, then you can't have 1 here and you cannot have 1 here. Now you have 2. 2 is already in this standing line, correct? So you cannot have 2 here. So now where else can 2 come? Only here. Similarly 3 is already there, so you can't have 3 here. And what is remaining? 4. So you got this sleeping line is completed. Now you know that this standing line also has two numbers, 2 and 4. So now I only have to guess this number and this number. I just have to guess 2 squares. So let's try. Let's try with this one. You can have a 1 here because this is 2 and this is 4. So 1 can come here. But look carefully. 1 cannot come here because 1 is already in this big grey box. Correct? So you cannot have 1 here. So if 1 cannot come here, 2 cannot come because 2 is already here, and 4 also cannot come because 4 is already in the standing line. So what remains is number 3. Then what is remaining here? 1, because only 1, 2, 3, 4 you have to fit in this line, correct? Now let's look at this column. You have 1, 2, then 3 can come here or 3 can come here. But 3, can you write 3 here? Is this a right answer? So answer is no, 3 cannot come here. Why? Because 1, 3 is already here in this big white box, and 3 is also there in the sleeping line. So you cannot have 3 here, right? So now what remains? 1, 2, you can't have 3 here, so you will have a 4 here. I'll just make this big. You will have a 4 here. And here what is remaining? 4, just check one time. 4 is not there in this big white box, and 4 is not there in the standing line or the sleeping line. So it is correct. What's remaining your number? You have 1, 2, you have to write number 3 here and then number 4. Okay. Now let's look at any of the sleeping lines. 1 you have already got here. I am looking at the sleeping line. So you can't have 1 here. Also 1 is already here. Can you have 2? Say yes or no. Yes or no answer? No. Why? Because 2 is already in this big white box. So you cannot have 2 here. So if 2 cannot come here, where 2 can come? Here. Yes? Just let me color this. If 2 cannot come there, then only place for 2 is this square. And just check one more time. Is 2 there in any of the grey boxes? No. Is 2 in the standing line? No. Is 2 in the sleeping line? No. So your answer is 2 here. So 1, 2, 3. What is remaining? 4. 4 is not there in the standing line also, and not there in the sleeping line also, and it is not there in the big white box also. So that is the correct answer. After you write every number, you have to check once up and down, and you have to check sideways, and you have to check within the big box also whether your number is not repeated. So you can correct your mistake then and there. Now you already have 3 squares filled up. So now what's remaining in this big white box? What's remaining? Answer loudly. Yes, it's number 3. And here again, after you write the number, you check. There is no 3 here. There is no 3 in standing and there is no 3 in the big box. Now let's come to the last number. What's remaining? See, in the standing line also one number is remaining, and in the big grey box also one number is remaining. What is that number? Number 2. Again 2, you check. Nothing there in the grey box, no 2 here standing, no 2 here sleeping. Now what's remaining here? See, you have already 3 digits here, in 3 squares are filled up. You only have to fill up this square. What is that number? Number 1. Yeah, very good, you're getting it now. Isn't it? It's easy. If it's not easy still, you're not getting it, it's okay. We will do more puzzles. One more puzzle I'll give you to do. Try it as homework, and then in the next video, whenever I do Sudoku, I will check that puzzle first. I will solve that puzzle first. Okay, now let's try this. 1, 2, 3, and what is remaining here? 4. Similarly, in this entire grey box only 4 was remaining, and in the sleeping line also only 4 was remaining. So this way we completed our 4 by 4 Sudoku. What is this called? I'll write it down for you. 4x4. 4 by 4 Sudoku. Okay, so you can, if you are a complete beginner in Sudoku, then you can start with 4 by 4 puzzles. All clear, I hope? Okay, let me take another puzzle for you. Okay, so this is your homework puzzle. Take a minute to copy this down. Pause the video. Okay, so I hope you have copied it. Now, in the next Sudoku puzzle video, I will be solving this puzzle for you as well. And in the next video, we will also see how to solve a 6 by 6 puzzle. So that's one step ahead. Till then, keep practicing 4 by 4 puzzles. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to play. Now, promise me that you will do your homework when you come back to see my next Sudoku video. Now don't forget to like, subscribe and share this YouTube video with your friends. I wish you a Merry Christmas and a very, very Happy New Year. And remember, challenge yourself. Only that will help you test your true potential. Bye-bye.